Hi everyone, welcome back to another video. My name is Mark and today I'm now at the temple, and the temple name is Shin, and this is the river, guys. And in this video I'm going to show you guys, or in this video I'm going to feed the fish. Here they call it temple fish. I don't know why they call it temple fish. They call it temple fish because those fish stay in this river beside the temple, so that's why. I think so, I'm not sure. And also we will feed the birds here also, so let's go. And as you can see, guys, those green floating there, those are water hyacinth or lotus, I'm not sure, but I think it's called water hyacinth. And that is the bridge from this side going to that opposite side, and the temple. At that beautiful temple, and over there is school. Look at the beautiful sky. Woohoo! I love it. It's perfect. I'm not still walking. Just keep walking. You hear that? And this white building, I'm not sure if what it's called, but I think it's part of the temple. And I'm now walking here. That is the school. Look at this beautiful temple. And that one over there. Actually, there are lots of birds in this temple, and you can call them by giving them food and